Hi guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing our second workout of our first week of workouts. This is going to be 4 rounds. Everything is going to be 30 seconds. We will start with high plank shoulder taps. When we're in our high plank, I want your shoulders, elbows, and wrists all stacked. We're going to squeeze through our midsection. We're going to squeeze through our glutes, and we are going to squeeze through our quads. That's going to set us up for a really good high plank. We want to push the earth away with our hands. Our fingers are going to be spread. That's going to help us grip the ground and get a nice solid base. And check this high plank out. Like I said, shoulders, elbows, wrists, all stacked. And I'm pushing the earth away. We don't want to sink down. That's not going to feel great in the lower back. We want everything to be nice and tight. Once we begin our shoulder taps, we're just going to tap opposite shoulder, making sure that we keep the torso directly facing the ground, and we want little to no movement through the rest of the body. Once you've reached 30 seconds, it's not about the number of reps, it's about the integrity of the movement. Once we have done those 30 seconds, we are going to use a light resistance band. You can kneel or stand for these. We're going to do pull aparts. So we want our band to not be fully tight, but we don't want there to be a lot of slack either. We're going to start with our hands just outside of our shoulders, and we're going to pull so that way the band reaches our chest and our arms are fully extended. No break in the elbow on these guys. So we'll do 30 seconds of pull aparts. And once we have completed that, we are going to use the same band. We're going to stand on it, and we're going to do bicep curls. 30 seconds. Now, if you want to go a little heavier, you just want to pull that band a little tighter. Keep the elbow in to the side of the body. Once we have completed 30 seconds of curls, we're going to come back down onto the ground. We are going to do tabletop, press through the feet, and drive the hips up. Try and get your torso parallel to the ground. Bring the hips down. If you can, sweep them through. If sweeping the hips through is not happening, then come to seated and try to lift your hips up off the ground before you come back into your tabletop position. Once we have completed 30 seconds of these, then we are going into our final movement. So that's going to be the bottom of a push-up hold. You can get into this one of two ways. We can start from our high plank and lower down to the bottom of our push-up hold, or we can start on the ground. You want to do this, you want to tuck your toes under, you want to flex your quads, you want to squeeze your glutes, and then come into this push-up hold. We can also do this with the knees down if that modification helps you. And again, you can start at the top and then come down. Just make sure that when you do these, you keep your elbows tucked in tight to the body. So you're going to feel this a lot in your triceps. You're going to feel this a lot in your chest. We've got 4 rounds of that, 30 seconds for every movement.